Hello, welcome to Healthy Life. In today's video we talk about how to make salads for weight loss. 1. Focus on greens. Start with a variety of leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula. They're low-calorie and high in nutrients, making them perfect for weight loss. 2. Add protein. Include lean proteins like grilled chicken, cottage cheese, eggs, or beans. They keep you full longer and help build muscle, which boosts metabolism. 3. Choose healthy fats. Incorporate avocados, nuts, or seeds. Healthy fats add flavor and satisfaction without the extra calories from less nutritious fat sources. 4. Use fresh veggies. Pile on colorful veggies like bell peppers, cucumbers, and tomatoes. They add crunch and fiber, making your salad more filling and nutrient-rich. 5. Watch the dressing. Opt for light dressings or make your own with lemon juice and olive oil. Avoid creamy or sugary dressings that can add unwanted calories. 6. Avoid overeating. Even if it's a healthy meal like salad, it is important not to overeat for weight loss. A medium-sized bowl should be enough for one meal.